finish the sentence. I am a misfit because
I don't follow the rules and don't follow the track.
how is adulting treating you? बड़े होके मजा आ रहा है?
मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं आता.
यार मैं तो कह रहा हूँ बड़े हो मत, सदा बच्चे का हाथ पकड़ो, ये डीजे बनना पड़ेगा. I started learning editing and I could see my partner also, you know, having that growth. And I was like, yeah, this is something that creatively challenges as well. इससे better तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, कोई और creator करता है, इससे better तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. Although I didn't do much.
Men are
And
crushing
women
on you.
both are crushing.
एक तो वो डैडी वाला भी फेस दे दिया ना कि वो क्योंकि उम्र उतनी है तो अब वो डैडी से डैडी हो जाता है, डैडी से डैडी हो जाता है.
ये डैडी की बड़ी कंफ्यूजन.
Maya, she's such a cutie. So
माया sorry.
not the new girlfriend, but
Pusha is in Bombay, so when she comes to Gurgaon, Maya goes to her place and
Do you like kids?
दूसरा
I was a Delulu, yeah. If you think about it, quite Delulu. But anyway,
तो मैं थोड़ा डार्क स्पेस में थोड़ा बहुत चले गया. ये हमें दिखता है कि रील्स फनी बनाता है बट असली में पर्सनालिटी कैसी है इसकी. मेरा तो नाम है भी आलू.
मैं करा दूंगी, मेरे पास बड़े रिश्ते हैं. I'm like a full Punjabi auntie.
No. I like a little bit of chubby and curves.
Healthy girls.
Yeah, I mean, in Punjabi terms, healthy girls.
hey misfits. He's handsome.
He's funny.
He's witty.
His content makes you laugh.
He is a Punjabi munda, but not so Punjabi.
Please welcome Zorawar Singh Ahluwalia in the house.
I mean,
So
it's,
we have been chatting, so that's why it's.
are you guys disclosing this was take 2 or no?
Let's not. We're good with it.
Good with it. जोर कितना टाइम लगा यहाँ आने के लिए?
Like realistically, it should have taken like half an hour, but it took me like an hour. I
Oh my
guess.
God.
Yes, a little more, I guess.
Mine is the time that you had to wait for us to start.
Yes, let's not. I mean, disclose that.
Yeah.
right? Let's keep it
Professional.
Yeah. So we want to know how, like, what is Zorawar like?
Zorawar is like Zorawar only, but yeah, I mean,
We don't know. Na?
We know the fun
yeah,
side
I'm
of
a
Zorawar.
passionate guy who is yaro ka yaar.
Huh.
I know, love my parents. Like I don't know how to put this across, but yeah, I'm a good guy.
You don't have to be modest. मतलब bindas. Tell us.
ठीक है, I have my flaws and all. I mean, वो सबके होते हैं. But I'm a person who wants to self learn and learn and improve on himself constantly. I also fail, but I also get up, dust my knees, and you know, get back whatever I want to achieve, and try to be in a positive mindset all the time. All the same time, I have my moments as well, but uske alawa just try to take life as it is and have fun each day because you never know what happens, you know, what's going to happen tomorrow. So I live life in a way where कि रोज थोड़े बहुत मजे तो करने हैं. I goof around a lot. I have friends who I hang out with every almost let's say alternate days. And we just make sure that we have fun and you know, just enjoy life and that's it. बाकी जो होना होगा, I mean, that's what I keep.
Part and parcel of life.
Yeah, and that is. I mean, I make sure that I enjoy every day and you know, be grateful and kind of just look out for, you know, small miracles क्या हो रहे हैं. जैसे आज के मैं 3 गिन चुका हूँ क्या हुआ है.
Wow.
You know? So like small things. जैसे there was in the morning I was sitting, I was meditating, and suddenly when I opened my eyes, sun की beam सीधा मेरे मुंह पे आ रही थी.
Oh.
Like some people might say it like it's a coincidence. Like people can say, you know, कि आज ये हुआ था, whatever. I have started doing this thing where I call these things mini miracles of the day. So it kind of just keeps you positive and, you know, happy and you know, keeps you in that vibe. So थोड़ा बहुत just try and do that. So I'm kind of like यही है, randomly मैंने चीजें बोल दी.
I would like to believe that the third mini miracle is being with us.
No.
Sorry.
That would be your miracle because
Yeah.
मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ.
Actually, thank you so much.
Sorry. I couldn't.
तो ये सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इनबिल्ट है या वक्त नहीं किया कोई हंसी?
नहीं, it is inbuilt for sure बचपन से ही. And my parents were like that where we were allowed to talk about anything and chill and, you know, talk about anything. And like in a way, I am very comfortable with my mom. Like हमने बचपन में थोड़े बहुत नॉनवेज जोक्स मारने शुरू कर दिए. And I have 2 elder sisters. तो वहाँ से मेरा थोड़ा और ओपन अप हुआ. Like I was little
Pampered?
थोड़ा सा क्लोज इन द स्टार्ट, बट धीरे धीरे फिर मैं खुलना शुरू हुआ. एंड यू नो, एंड दैट्स वेयर द ह्यूमर आल्सो कम्स. आई टॉक लाइक दिस विद माय सिस्टर्स एज वेल एंड वी कैन टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग ऑन अर्थ. एंड यू नो, एंड सेम विद माय मॉम. एंड नाउ अब पापा थोड़े से बुढ़े हो रहे हैं तो उनको थोड़ा उनके सामने ही मारना शुरू करे, so he's also getting a little
Yeah, used to
comfortable.
it.
But yeah, but now everyone is kind of, you know, adults, and then we've become more like friends now. And जैसे पहले थोड़ा फैमिली पापा के साथ, मेरा थोड़ा पापा का साथ ना था, बट मॉम के साथ ऐसा था कि दैट शी वाज माय फ्रेंड. बट नाउ इट्स काइंड ऑफ टर्न्ड अराउंड. नाउ मॉम इज becoming mom and papa is becoming a friend.
I think mom थोड़ी वो भी हो जाती है concerned.
Yeah, she is like little protective of me, but
Yeah.
yeah, when वो सबके ही होते हैं. So yes.
Yeah. But how's life and how growing up feels like adulting? How is adulting treating you? बड़े होके मजा आ रहा है?
मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा.
यार मैं तो कह रहा हूँ बड़े हो मत.
है ना?
Yeah, I mean stay kiddish and enjoy small things every day, like how we used to back in the day. मिट्टी खा ली तो उससे कुछ हो गया.
बच्चों मिट्टी खानी नहीं है.
I'm not condoning that, but
Yeah.
you know, things like that. So every day, if you find small joys in your day, and you know, keep that kid alive in your hearts, I think then the life is more joyful. And you know, you अब रोज सड़े हुए नहीं बैठे होगे. So I have a small photo of myself when I was a small Sardar kid right on my desk where I work. And I keep reminding myself that this is where I've come from, and this is who I am. And for this little guy only, I have to, you know, do big things in life, take risks, and you know, become something that what I wanted to become back in the day.
So you are still in touch with.
I mean, in touch तो नहीं, but yeah,
In
वो
our
मेरे मुझे दिखता रहता है रोज. I keep telling myself, yeah.
So you're a Sardar. You used to have
I'm a
hair,
cut
like.
Sard, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Have you also followed that trend where in ChatGPT where there is a small child and you
No, मेरा मन करा था वो करने.
घर
मेरा
लिया.
That was like कि वो dreams पूरे हुए.
Dreams
कि नहीं
पूरे
हुए.
हुए.
हाँ,
मैं तो डिप्रेस ही हो जाती हूँ वो देख के.
Yeah, I think मैं वो
हाँ.
रील की जगह मैं असली में कर लेता हूँ. जब सामने मुझे दिखता है मेरा.
Now talking about the bold move.
Mhm.
I think you were in a comfortable job. You have
Mhm.
traveled a lot.
Yep.
So content creation कैसे आया life में? And leaving your comfortable job and you know getting into something like this, which is very unpredictable and
Yeah.
very creative also.
No, but because you're a male content creator
Yeah.
and it's very hard for male content creators, I believe. Because for girls, maybe it's easier. Do you feel that way?
I wouldn't say easier. I mean, they are doing their own job as
Yeah.
well. I mean, and I don't like to kind of gender bias on content creation specifically, because everyone has their own audience, and people who want to see something, they will go on you know, certain pages. I mean, for that matter, if someone likes tech, or let's say someone likes property. मुझे एक बार property के reels आने शुरू हो गए थे जब मैं you know, घर के लिए देख रहा था. So you kind of, the algorithm knows and kind of feeds you that as well. Yeah. So coming back to the comfortable job. Yeah, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा we'll have to go a little back. When I was in school,
Okay.
I was not good in studies. ठीक है.
Okay.
I was in a very good school. My parents sent me in one of the best schools of India. Unfortunately, I was not good in studies, but I was good in sports and co-curricular activities.
Yeah.
Mein I was very, you know, interested in doing all those things. And हमारे स्कूल में भी टेस्ट होते थे. They had these analysis tests where they used to test कि what kind of personality you have. If you have a business mindset or a creative mindset, or something like a SWOT analysis type का ना एक personality का test होता था, which used to happen every year. So every year I got the same result कि creative, and I never thought कि you know कि इसको I could you know, do something about it. And back in school, when they used to ask me बड़े होके क्या बनना है, someone would say you know, doctor बनना है,
Engineer,
engineer.
doctor, वही 2-3 professions होते थे
एक
पहले.
सरदार बच्चे का हाथ कटा था, मुझे डीजे बनना है बड़े होके.
Whoa.
And yeah, so I always
Yeah.
kind of had
wow.
that you know, side towards me, which I didn't kind of explore much when after school. So after school देखा कि सब क्या कर रहे हैं, बीबीए कर रहे हैं सब.
Yeah.
हमने भी बीबीए कर ली, फिर एमबीए कर रहे तो एमबीए कर ली, फिर जॉब कर ली. फिर लॉकडाउन जब हिट हुआ, उसके बाद वहाँ पे तब फील हुआ that you know, everyone is kind of losing someone or the other, and you could have you know, I mean, we could have gone as well. So मुझे लगा यार कि you know, now is the right time to do something that I really want, and बैठ के थोड़ा सा सोचा इस बारे में. And then I started learning editing, and I could see my partner also you know, having that growth, and I was like, yeah, this is something that creatively challenges as well, and I'm interested to learn and you know, practice my swing at it as well. So then I just learned editing during while I was working as well, and I started seeing कि कुछ ना कुछ deals have started coming in. And I started thinking यार इससे better तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, कोई और greater करता है, इससे better तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. Although I didn't do much, but whatever I did it from my heart. And I'm still gonna continue to do it. I'm just taking a break. But so I was like यार ये तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. And I started getting followers and started learning, and खुद edit करता था, खुद shoot करके, and everyone was doing that probably during the lockdown. And that was the best time to kind of learn this as well, right? So वो एक बार जैसे हुआ, then I said कि I can take the leap of faith. I can sustain myself while working as a content creator. And and थोड़ा सा पंजाबी background भी ऐसा था, where my dad had told me कि अपना काम करने में ना थोड़ा मज़ा अलग आता है. When you do a job, you learn the ethics and everything. You learn your discipline आ जाता है उससे, you're right. And then once you can imply that same discipline into your own work, then that's the sweet spot you want to be in.
True.
So
So that's when I took the kind of leap of faith, and from 9 to 5 job I started working on myself. And
whenever you play at a concert, we'll be the first one to buy the tickets.
DJ बन गया तो yes. I mean I do.
Try actually. Why not?
I've
It's quite
done a
fun.
little bit because we were just talking about that I like techno, right?
Yeah.
because हाँ
how
मतलब
come?
यार
Being a Punjabi
ऐसे नहीं हो
मुंडा,
सकता ना.
like
It's not that I disown Punjabi music. I like Punjabi music
Yeah.
also. I'm just more inclined towards techno because मैं बचपन से वो
Okay.
सुनता आ रहा हूँ. Not बचपन वाले college time के बाद से. In school I was more like into hip hop that time.
Hip-hop.
Yeah, because यार हमारे स्कूल में ना मतलब there were a lot of diversity in my school. Like in terms of kids were there from the US as well. There were a lot of kids from Nepal as well, and all over India as well. So उस करके ना you were not bound to, although there were a lot of Punjabis, Punjab भरा हुआ था हमारे स्कूल में, but we were kind of exposed to those kind of music where we never thought. My school में like I joined my boarding school when I was in 5th class.
Okay.
तो उससे पहले तो इतना याद भी नहीं कि क्या ही सुनते थे. तो उसके बाद जब चलना शुरू हुआ, then देख रहे रॉक बैंड्स भी हमारे स्कूल में बन रहे हैं, where they playing rock music, we started listening to that. Seniors वो बजा रहे थे. So that's how I kind of just got into techno. So अगर DJ बना, yes, I will send you the VIP passes.
Okay, so now coming on to relationships. Do you believe in 50-50 on the first date? ये अब मतलब हमें लड़कों को थोड़ा सा उस स्पॉट में डालना है, and we want to know.
Here I actually don't believe. I believe कि तुम्हारी क्या
understanding
between, even if it's a first date, I'm sure if I would go on a first date, I would know कि what to expect and what not to expect, because I've already spoken to that person, right? मैं सिर्फ blind date पे तो नहीं जा रहा, right? I mean, so अगर first date है, and if you've already spoken to the person and you understand what kind of person that is, and given a chance अगर आता है, you can always take the lead, and if the person wants to share it as well, then that's also kind of fine. I mean, first date पे तभी जाओ जब obviously you can kind of afford it as well. Number one.
Plus if you're vibing, obviously.
Exactly, and that should not be the deal breaker in any way or the other. If that is the deal breaker, then it's a good riddance, I would say. कि अच्छा पता लग गया कि पहली date में that is
Expectations
and that the vibe isn't matching, right? So fair enough. I mean, उससे तो फिर निकल ही जाना चाहिए.
Are you on any dating apps?
Yes, he is. Like,
You are?
Yeah, I mean,
done
put
my
it out
research.
there.
listen, I'm a single guy. Why can't I be on dating
You
apps?
should be. I'm not judging you.
No, I know you can't. I mean,
I've done my research. He is on dating app.
yeah, I
Arey,
mean,
because
judge करने वाली बात क्या है? Like, I'm a
I didn't
human.
mean it. Why
Exactly.
do you feel you're judging you? I'm asking.
No, you said I'm not judging you. I was like, yeah, I would. I know that you will not judge me.
मैंने कब बोला मैं judge कर रही हूँ?
We'll play it back in the.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Then that's
I am not judgmental.
exactly. That's what I said. इसमें कोई judge करने वाली बात है भी नहीं है. And even
You have to be on, like. If you
I
want.
mean, it's
No, it's fine.
and it's something
How
that I wanted to
else?
experience here because
How's the experience?
I would say 50-50 अच्छा भी है, नहीं भी अच्छा, yeah, but I won't complain. मतलब ठीक है.
Okay. Decent.
Yeah. But I don't use my Instagram for dating because वहाँ पे तो बहुत ही वाहियात मैसेजेस आते हैं.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell us.
लड़कों के भी आते हैं.
हाँ यार.
Oh,
बहुत ही
really?
मतलब X-rated टाइप के आते हैं and they are kind of demeaning. But now I enjoy. मैं तो अपने friends को दिखाता हूँ and we laugh about it.
Can you share one message?
Yeah, I will show it to you.
Okay.
अभी लेटली कल परसों किसी ने देखा, we were discussing and we were just thinking के you know 0 followers किसी के वो जैसे
हाँ,
होते
fake
हैं
जो होते हैं
उसी टाइप के
accounts,
आते हैं.
हाँ.
So and I just kind of laugh about it. और क्या ही कर सकते हैं इससे.
But good now, like even
Men
are
and
crushing
women
on you.
both are crushing.
That's
एक तो वो डैडी वाला भी फेस दे दिया ना कि वो क्योंकि उम्र उतनी है तो अब वो डैडी से डैडी हो जाता है, डैडी से डैडी हो जाता है.
ये
Yes.
डैडी की बड़ी confusion है.
It is. I mean, it is also kind of. मतलब you don't want to cross the line sometimes because वो अगर age का आ जाता है then it's a different thing
Yeah.
altogether. But yeah.
Do you think age matters in the relationship?
Yeah, I think why matters for that matter. अगर if someone is younger and still they kind of understand and each other's vibe, then I don't think so age matters. But to each his own. Yeah. I mean, I would say. I mean, it's very subjective.
Yeah, it's
I would say.
subjective.
मतलब हो सकता है some person who's let's say 15 years younger than me might have a mindset which is more mature than mine and might have more emotional intelligence than me or probably at par with me. Only then it's something that you need to consider. But उसके अलावा अगर नहीं हो रहा तो then and ज़्यादा भी हो तो वो भी अलग रहता है. Like if I'm young and someone is older than me, then also is kind of the same thing only. The
Similar, हाँ.
prerequisites are the same. कि that there has to be a match. They do. If there is a mismatch, then there's no point even trying.
Okay, so being in a relationship for 11 years, and then there was love, of course, and there was friendship, or you spent time with each other, you knew about each other, how you feel, how your emotions are, how you are as people. So, but why do you think marriages are not working these days?
यार इसको अगेन वी कांट जनरलाइज इट कि क्यों नहीं काम करी एंड इसका एक कॉमन आंसर ये है.
Yeah.
But I think it's very subjective to each on their case. But people, I think now in a way getting a realization that they can probably, sometimes they feel that they can work in a team and sometimes they feel they can't work in a team and they're better off alone. And that's the realization that I think some people might have. उस करके हो रहा हो. But I can't give you a straight away answer like why things are not working because you can't sum it up in one answer
you can't
altogether
put it
because
in
सबके
column.
अलग अलग है
हाँ,
right.
हाँ.
कईयों की बन रही है, कईयों की नहीं बन रही है. Sometimes you realize कि यार कि it's better off you might progress more in if you're like a solo horse or if you're running. So वो हो सकता है but yeah.
Yeah. But do you think feelings fade with time?
Ideally it shouldn't. And they should kind of stay the same. And even if they fade, I think for a couple or for a team together, it's very important to kind of revive and kind of get back to it in one way or the other to make sure that that they are priority number one for you and you are priority number for them.
Makes sense.
When do you realize like in the relationship that it's not working anymore? एक vibe आ जाती है ना like now I don't think it's working anymore.
यार वो तो दोनों को ही फीलिंग आएगी. I think
but
by
still,
the
if you're talking about
Yourself.
my case.
हाँ.
Yeah, I had multiple cases where there were instances when we maturely sat down and discussed that these things are not working and we kind of came up to that point and mutually kind of agreed to it. So वो एक realization का you have to kind of realize it and be authentic with yourself and with your partner as well. कि if things if there's black, it's black, and if there is white, and you have to call it white, right? So if you are playing that game, if you are playing, make sure that you're calling the color by its color and not kind of stepping into the gray area. So jitna clear hoga utna zyada better hai, and for both of them, for both the parties. So I think that is the base for any relation ke agar if you call it.
So we want to talk about Maya. She's such a cutie. So
Maya? Sorry, I'm
not the new girlfriend we're talking about. We're talking about your dog. So
Maya Ahluwalia.
So you're such a good father to her.
Yeah.
But how do you co-parent her? Is it easy?
Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, mostly Kusha is in Bombay, so when she comes to Gurgaon, Maya goes to her place, and our place is like almost like 2-3 kilometers away from each other. So Maya वहाँ चली जाती, she spends a day और 1-2 दिन वहाँ पे रहती है. But mostly she's with me only because उसका alpha मैं हूँ एक तरह से, because then she likes to spend time with me. And तो उस करके, so yeah, I mean it's easy to do co-parenting because it's easier than having a human child. क्योंकि डॉग पेरेंटिंग का आई थिंक थोड़ा इजी रहता है,
Easy, of
बिकॉज आई हैव
course.
अदर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल हु आर को पेरेंटिंग डॉग्स, so उनके लिए भी इजी है.
Yeah.
I'm sure if it was a human baby, it would have been much more tougher.
Yeah.
But,
इतने decisions लेने पड़ते हैं
yeah,
उनके लिए, so
exactly.
it's difficult.
Luckily, Maya doesn't have to go to a school, so मुझे उसका नहीं
You don't
देखना
have to
पड़ता.
think about a future. कौन सा
Yeah.
college कहाँ जाना है?
Yeah.
I know.
True.
I know.
So इसलिए easy रहता है. Yes.
But do you like kids?
दूसरों के. Yeah, I think
Right.
now I don't have
But
this
we
decision.
think you would be like amazing father. You can.
Yeah, even I think
Yeah.
मैं बचपन में भी सोचता था कि अगर जब like I used to see my father के
Yeah.
ऐसे कर रहे, so I thought कि मैं भी कभी करूँगा. So if given a chance, अगर मैं बना, I think I will give in my best to
Yeah,
be
sure.
that dad. And even if I fail, I will learn and then become a better
Yeah,
dad.
that's how you do it.
Yes.
Na? Matlab, until you actually become a parent,
Yeah.
you never know how you're
Yeah.
going to be as a parent. And I think हमें आता ही है कहीं ना कहीं.
Yes.
Inbuilt.
हो सकता है ये सब में तो होता
Like,
है.
let's
I like the concept.
believe
Yes.
that.
Like she said, delusional. तो होना ही पड़ता है.
The
I'm a very good
delusional.
Delulu.
mother.
Delulu girl.
Delulu. I'm also Delulu, yeah. If you think about it, I'm quite Delulu. But anyway.
ना तू ही है.
Yeah,
मैं
very
भी नहीं.
But that is a Sululu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
sure
the
you know.
only
She's-
way.
yeah,
Mm. So recently you opened up about your financial struggles.
Mhm.
How difficult was it for you to open up about it on a public platform? Did
Yeah,
it
uska-
affect your mental health also?
Yeah, it did affect a
Hmm.
little bit of my mental health.
Yeah.
But मैं इसको भी बहुत lightly लेता हूँ. I mean, I know how to tackle myself and I know how to get out of one situation if it's a tough one. In fact, I love when there is a hard situation that comes towards me because then that molds me into a character that I want to become. And I start picturing myself as the, let's say, alter ego that I have. Ki, you know, what would that person do to come out of that situation? Talking about that post that got a little bit
Viral.
of virality or whatever that was spreading everywhere. It was very random. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठा हुआ था. I had just I was recovering from a flu, like a normal
Yeah.
cold cough, बुखार हुआ था. I was taking medicines and उससे ना काफ़ी you get low as well when you take these antibiotics, right?
Yeah.
And इसमें से एक तो मेरे ख्याल से वो थी जिसमें रात को सो तो थोड़ी सी जुकाम के लिए थी, but it kind of knocks you off.
Okay.
And it kind of puts you in that space. So मैं थोड़ा dark space में थोड़ा बहुत चले गया था, but I always get myself out. I know how to get myself out from there. And so I just मैंने बहुत randomly एक story डाली that this is what I'm going through, and I never even wrote के I have financial issues. I said I'm financially not there where I want to be, where I see myself.
Okay.
And that's what my wordings were, and it
Okay.
was interpreted in a different way,
manner.
and it was molded and
Yeah.
kind of shared everywhere. उसके अगले दिन मैंने एक दिन I think 3 days after that or whatever I was having my breakfast. मैं breakfast की photo डालता because
Yeah.
content creation
Yeah,
creation
yeah.
करना पड़ता तो वो हर चीज़ करना पड़ता, right? So I just put a photo of avocados. Someone said कि इतना गरीब है तो avocado कैसे खा रहा है? तो मैंने बोला भाई 30 रुपए का मिलता है, ठीक है?
I know.
But then again,
अमीरों का breakfast है.
हाँ, but I'm not there to correct anyone. सबको
Yeah,
अपना
yeah.
भड़ास निकालना होता है. That is fine. अगर मैं जाऊँगा तो I'll go mad. So I try to keep my peace. And
हाँ.
honestly, there was nothing in a way that I never said that I'm going through a financial issue or anything.
Yeah.
I am, but that was not the face of it. I'm
Okay.
trying to work things around and try other things where trying to make myself proud in any way or the other that कि कुछ ना कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ. मैं हार नहीं मान रहा हूँ, ठीक है? वहाँ पे ऐसे लग रहा था कि ये तो victim है और ये
No, I think अगर जो मैंने देखा तो I didn't feel like a victim वाला चीज. मुझे ऐसा
Yeah.
लगा it takes lot of guts
yeah.
and to show your emotional side as well.
Yeah, yeah.
People are talking everything fancy and all. But when I saw that post, I was like, wow, amazing. Like, sometimes even I was feeling something. So
Yeah.
I could connect.
Yeah.
Okay, yaar.
So मुझे भी इतना नहीं पता था कि इतना वो and that was just a story. ये भी नहीं
Yeah.
मैंने कोई like to
Post
gain
नहीं.
traction I
Yeah.
would have posted it for the
Very
permanent.
casual kind of a story.
Yeah, and I was just pouring my heart out कि थोड़ा सा emotional हो रहा हूँ because
Yeah.
दवाइयाँ थोड़ी असर कर रही थी उस time पे.
And it's good, na? It's
Yeah.
good to be like real.
Yeah, and I learned from that as
Yeah.
well कि जितना like if you are happy, show your happiness
Yeah.
on if you want to show your social media. अगर आपको अपना एक persona दिखाना है अपना, so you show your happy side as well. And when I've seen a lot of creators have done that as well, where they've shown the sad side, and that's the true picture what your real fan wants to see or your follower wants to see, right? कि ये हमें दिखता है कि रील्स फनी बनाता है, बट असली में पर्सनालिटी कैसी है इसकी.
24 hours तो आप सेम नहीं हो ना.
Exactly.
एक same
And
zone
that's
पे
how
भी
they
नहीं हो.
connect with you.
Yeah, that's how they connect, and that's how you get that like a cult following. कि they understand you better. फिर and मैं honestly I started doing Instagram to make people laugh and उनका थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिन बन जाए. And that was pretty much about it. अब वो धीरे धीरे बीच में मैं थोड़ा बहुत अपना दिखा दिया कि this is what I'm going through and this is what has happened.
It's
That is
good actually,
it's good
you know,
actually.
because
Yes.
a lot of people like us, we
Hmm.
can't really put our emotions out there. So when we see someone doing that, it gives you that
Courage.
push and courage. Ki, "Theek hai yaar, it's okay
See,
to talk
all
about."
learn from this is that people who are going to judge you will judge you. You can't control that. So haters gonna hate, potatoes gonna potato. So go for
You
it.
look like one right now.
मेरा तो नाम में भी आलू है. आलू वाली.
But that was a very great thing. I really liked it.
No, I liked, even my parents called me and they
Yeah.
were so proud of me. Like
Very. Yeah.
मुझे बस like I
And
honestly.
you have a very loyal following as well. Your followers are very loyal towards you. I've seen. I was seeing the comment section and everybody was like, "Way to go, Zaravar. We love you." And मतलब कितने लोग इस चीज से जा रहे होते हैं. Like even I if I am also feeling something like that. So yeah, I want to talk about these things. Nobody's talking about. If I sit on a very fancy table today, everybody's telling that मैंने ये लिया है.
The good life. They
Yeah,
only
the
want
good
to
life. To this.
Show the good life.
Even if I don't want to buy it, I'm not jealous of anything. But this thing I like. Okay. Yeah, but I can't explain in words. But yeah, very nice thing you have done. Maybe you have done it just like for heck of it.
मैंने
It was not planned.
Yeah, it was not
but
planned
it
at
gives
all.
courage to lot of
Yeah,
people.
But I mean
And
जितना
being a man, क्योंकि नहीं बात करते हैं.
Yeah,
Guy
वो भी
has
थोड़ा है. I think that is
such
also there.
ego. I
Yeah.
think guys have lot of ego.
मेरी तो ईगो मर चुकी है यार. मेरी ईगो, मैं सॉरी कहने में नंबर 1. मैं तू अभी बोल.
हाँ.
मैं अभी बोल दूंगा सॉरी यार. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I mean
लड़कियों को ऐसे ही लड़के चाहिए. कहाँ है मतलब लड़कियों?
But male ego.
मुझे
is a
मुझे
thing.
अभी नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए?
No, अभी I'm concentrating on my work.
हमारा next question वही है यार.
No, I mean ऐसा I'm not saying no.
मैं करा दूंगी. मेरे पास बड़े रिश्ते हैं. I'm like a full Punjabi auntie.
No. वो कौन थी सीमा आंटी? No.
सीमा aunty.
I don't want that.
Yeah.
But I be all my concentration and my
Yeah, take your time.
energy is towards to make myself proud and make myself something that can probably take care of a family later on. But अभी के लिए तो नहीं.
No.
Yes.
But then, are you dating or are you single or are you looking
I'm fully single.
fully single?
Yes, fully single. But I'm having a little bit of flings. Thouड़ा बहुत मैं like I'm not saying no to that, because honestly, I mean, we should not go there, but we can. I honestly treat sex differently to love. They're intertwining. They they have
Connected.
I mean they are connected to each other, but they are also separate in in different terms. So probably the next podcast can be about that when I have more learnings about it. And I mean, so that's where I kind of have my thought process, and I just want to concentrate on my work and make something of myself. That's it.
But it's good to be so clear. You have a clear thought about
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Clarity.
Yeah, mixing both can be difficult or very both parties maybe.
So after my separation, I kind of felt that I need to become this. I have now this liberty to become anyone I want, right? So why not become myself and be open about it. Whatever I feel. If I like, I was telling you about the story when अगर movie देखते रोना आ रहा तो emotions बाहर निकालो. Like don't keep them suppressed in you. And so in that ways also I kind of just kept it out there this is what kind of person I am. I like, let's say if I like techno, so why
ये scene है.
if you align with that, then please come on board, become my friend, that's fine. अगर नहीं हो रहा, then please
don't force
self, I call this self filtration कि वो अपने आप ही वो self filter हो गया बंदा. So जिसके साथ vibe match हो रही है, who understands you good enough, and I don't want to have that kind of energy where I'm going behind someone के यार no समझो यार ये मैं इसलिए ऐसा करता हूँ. तो जिसको रुकना है वो रुकेगा, जिसको नहीं रुकना है वो रुकेगा. एंड फॉर दैट मैटर आई हैव ग्रेट सेट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स who are aligned with me, like from A to Z, and I sometimes don't even have to call them. If I go home, sometimes they're just home. They know मेरे घर का कोड क्या है, अंदर बैठे होंगे आराम से. So इतना comfortable है that my friends are like my family and my family is like my friends. So सबके साथ
The
open.
best
Yeah.
equation to
Yes.
have.
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
But do you think in relationships अभी people try to impress each other initially, तो वो real self दिखा नहीं पाते हैं और उसकी वजह से ही
Later on it becomes difficult. Yeah.
कि you know if
You're
I'm
faking
faking in
it.
front of you,
Yeah.
like if I'd say कि मैं Mercedes में लेने आऊँगा but उसके चौथी डेट में तो फिर you know कोई और
Yeah.
गाड़ी कैब में आ रहा हूँ, so that's something that you are if you're faking it then उसमें फिर real
it won't last.
I mean it won't last only, मतलब क्या ही रहेगा, like if you say that you know you like Punjabi music और मैं बोलूँ हाँ मुझे भी आज से पंजाबी म्यूजिक अच्छा लगने लग गया, how long can I act it
Yeah.
out for? I mean
Because I guess initially आप किसी से कितने attracted होते हो, तो just कि आपको होता है कि you know I just want to come in a relationship, or you're so attracted to that person, you say हाँ मुझे भी ये पसंद है, like you know you get, I have seen
यार ये
lot of
मैंने भी
people.
लर्न करा है कि
हाँ.
you know मैं भी पहले थोड़ा सा like probably college time में you know if I liked some girl or the other कि you know attractiveness की सुंदरता देखी तो उसके पीछे भागे, which that is true, that is also first step towards you know loving someone or having
Yeah.
a compatibility with someone, but अगर उसके बाद वाई भी मैच नहीं हो रही तो सुंदरता का तुम क्या ही कर लोगे? I mean how long will you fake it or the other person will fake it to make it work, right?
Right.
So best is that ठीक है, that initial attraction is compulsory, that is a very big part of your
But आपके गाय गैंग में ये होता है, मतलब किसी को कोई पसंद आ गया नहीं, like या कोई नहीं उसको पसंद है तो ओके,
यार
And बाद में it's
हम तो
like
मुंह पे
a
बोल
shit
देते हैं,
show.
like मैं तो मुंह पे बोल देता हूँ
हाँ.
अब मोस्टली like I am at a age where most of my friends are married only, तो everyone is like crying only every day.
हाँ, जो जिसकी हो गई वो दुखी है, जिसकी नहीं हुई है वो दुखी है.
No, but जिनकी होके और ना ही हुई, जो in my case they are very happy. Trust me, I mean it's the best place to be. I mean ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहता
मतलब best of both worlds हो गया ना, ठीक है.
हाँ, but
इधर
I'm
भी
like
try कर लिया,
the thing
वो
is that
try
I have
करो.
experienced it and I know now where I want to go.
Yeah.
So now I know कि अगर कोई partner आएगा कि if that person is there in the long run, will be there for the long run or not for the long run. So वो अब थोड़ा clarity मिल जाती है इस time पे.
You can segregate ऐसे.
Yeah.
But what attracts you in a woman normally? What do
यार,
you like
yeah.
when you meet someone? What
तो
are the
are we talking about the first meeting? Like सिर्फ
मतलब
Like looks are important to you, like
yeah,
what?
looks तो like I said ना, तो looks तो initially तो like everyone has their type, right?
Yeah.
कि अगर किसी को ये type पसंद है तो and you see that type and you're like okay I like.
What is Zorawar Singh Ahluwalia type?
I like maybe physical attributes you can tell. And
Yeah,
then we can go to emotional.
isn't that so like in a way how
superficial?
yeah superficial as well.
It's okay.
No,
We
it is
all are
superficial.
little
What my word was, I was looking for the other, but एक तो I miss like a lot of words when I have to kind of talk it.
ये होता
bit-
है.
We are putting you in a spot, so
No, ऐसा नहीं है. You're not putting me on the spot. ये थोड़ा objectifying नहीं हो जाएगा? This is
नहीं,
the word.
नहीं. नहीं.
We are girls.
We,
you
we
know.
have a type. मतलब if
Everybody
I'm
has
tall,
a
I would
type.
want someone who's taller than me. So I don't know. Objectify तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. We can have a
ठीक है.
type.
Like if I'm in the safe space, I'll just let you know I like
Of course.
someone who's tall. तो चलेगा.
Come on.
He doesn't
Yeah,
know.
if there is, I mean,
He's still
obviously the
figuring
person
out.
has to be. I'm trying to find the right words to say.
Just be bindas ना. क्या है? मतलब
Yeah,
it's
हम
your
cut
type.
कर देंगे. It's okay.
But it's your type.
Okay, I don't like. I mean, my type is not skinny girls.
Okay.
ठीक है. I like a little bit of
Chubby.
chubby and curves.
Healthy girls.
Yeah, I mean, in Punjabi terms,
हाँ,
healthy girls.
खाती पीते घर की.
Yeah, and सुंदर हो, बाल अच्छे हो, लंबे हो. I mean, physical. I mean that feminine features हो, and that's it. I mean, nothing more than that. Nothing.
Nice. हम ये आंसर काट देंगे. मजाक.
Please feel free.
No, we're not. So, but emotionally, what attracts you to a
Yeah,
human
so-
being, like to another
Yeah.
human?
Yeah, so physically, though, I mean,
Yeah.
we covered. Emotionally, there has to be like like from the start of the podcast, I'm saying there has to be a vibe match for sure. ठीक है, things that probably I like, that person should like as well. I'm not saying कि कि that person needs to change. Organically, अगर उसको भी पसंद थी और मुझे भी पसंद है, and then there is a match, then I think it's a win-win. Something as trivial as let's say watching horror movies or कहीं को नहीं पसंद होती, और let's say comedy movies किसी को पसंद है, तो आप you have that vibe match. Music हो गया,
ये compatibility हो गया ना ये सब.
Exactly. So emotionally तो फिर वो compatibility वही होगी, and then also that person is emotionally intelligent in sharing as well and addressing what is right in front of you and not beating around the bush.
Conversations honi chahiye. I
Yeah.
think.
And I might be judged on this one, but I also feel like I think there are time where everyone has their emotions imbalanced, right? In terms of there are
One day you're
times.
feeling something.
It's not about, I'm not talking about like PMS and all of that is very childish someone to say that, but wo mera bhi, I'm not saying मेरे को PMS होता है, but there are times of the month, or let's say, I'm not saying particular time, but there are time when probably once in a week,
You're not
6 days I'm feeling very good, one day I might be feeling low, and sometimes you can't go back कि why am I not feeling good today, मतलब वो उसको crack नहीं कर पाते हो, so that anger kind of goes on to the other person, and then that's where the things happen. But you need to understand from the other perspective कि you know probably that person is having a down day, ठीक है, tomorrow's a new day, and then that's how you recover and talk it out.
Right.
Yeah, because everything is solvable, and you know if you're able to work for it and you are both willing to you know put in the efforts, then I think it's a non-stop.
There's a way out. I mean, you can always
Yeah.
figure out a way.
Yeah, and if there isn't, then it's
Not
ठीक
for
है,
you.
self-filtration, like I said.
Filter.
Are you a foodie?
Yes, that's why I go to the gym कि बस खा पाऊँ. I like home food. I think इसमें मेरा पूरा पंजाबी टेस्ट है. Like I like butter chicken, छोले भटूरे, राजमा चावल.
तो दिल्ली में कौन सा एक फेवरेट स्पॉट है जहाँ का फूड यू रियली लाइक?
लुधियाना.
दिल्ली. लुधियाना.
यार
Okay.
so I mean I'm from पंजाब, तो मुझे लुधियाना का खाना बहुत पसंद है,
Yeah.
because वहाँ पे अमन चिकन, बाबा चिकन और ये सब ब्रांड्स हैं which
Okay.
make मेरे
Amazing
मुँह में
food.
पानी आ जाता है. Although यहाँ पर भी हैं, but वो लुधियाना का जो ऑथेंटिक वाला वो है. दिल्ली में if let's say talk about butter chicken, lately I've been eating Ambersari by Inoki,
Okay.
and they make. My father also tried. He also really liked it, and it's a pretty decent
Okay.
home run for a butter chicken.
Wow, we're going to try. I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah, I was about to say.
फिर
what
छोले
are you gonna
भटूरे?
try?
छोले भटूरे खा लियो.
Okay. Abir Gulal, you worked,
Yeah.
right? Got banned in India.
But it was honestly it was a very like
How
blessing in
was your
disguise.
experience? Yeah, how was your experience?
Yeah, so मुझे एक so I keep auditioning for you know roles for ad shoots, for TV series. So when it comes to audition, I don't know if you know this, audition का ना success rate is very low.
Okay.
Like I think every struggler actor will tell you, not that I'm a struggler actor, but मैं थोड़ा बहुत
Yeah.
like I try my like I try to play all the cards that I want to play, like
Yeah.
कि बाद में कुछ you know regret now.
Good यार, मुझे भी जाना है acting audition के लिए. मन
You
कर
know
रहा है
learn acting and then go for an audition
Next
and हाँ मुझे आए तो पहले मैं उसमें खुश रहता हूँ. So I randomly gave an audition and I got through it. मुझे तो इतना था भी नहीं कि होएगा, like मुझे था like I always have that manifestation कि वो तो हो रहा है, but you know audition के बाद you kind of forget कि आएगा तो देख लेंगे, नहीं आएगा तो तब चलेगा. So I got a call back and they said they like my work and they want to get me on board, and then they told me about the project, and the first scene that was being shot was shot in London.
Wow.
And I was like एक तो मतलब ऐसी मैंने you know मेहनत करके थोड़ा बहुत ऑडिशन में करके मेहनत करके I just gave the audition और ब्रेक मिला. So how much am I blessed that you know I got this opportunity. And
कितने लोगों ने audition किया होगा?
I have no idea कितनों ने दिया होगा. I don't care, मेरा तो हो
You're
गया.
talented
What
as
I'm
well,
trying to say
no?
is कि इतने लोगों में भी and you tried it for the first time and it happened. It's-
Yeah, I mean it happened and I was like, to be honest, मुझे acting का I think मुझे ये भी नहीं आता. I can learn a lot because I said कि यार you know learning is the process that keeps going in your life, right? So I wanted to do acting course before I went, but I couldn't afford it that time because it's very expensive. So I thought कि चलो ठीक है ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं, but I practiced my lines. Although I feel that I didn't act well, but director was happy. My sister saw it in the US. She was like, you acted well, but she can be biased as well. And although it was a very small scene, 2-3 scenes का मेरा उसमें था, and so I was very happy. I was very fortunate. एक experience मिला, and the first time I was like, imagine मतलब ये भी नहीं कि सीधा आप सेट पे जा रहे हो, you know बॉम्बे में शूट कर रहे हो, you're going to London. And then there are like 100-150 people, you know, on the set, and आपको सीधा
Big production house and everything.
big production house, and you talking to you know these actors.
Yeah.
You know, I had Parmeet Batra on the other side. I had Frida Jalal. She is
Amazing.
the cutest person on the planet, I
she's
would
very
say.
cute.
and she called me to the room and उनको बहुत प्यार से मिले and she was very nice and not that कि everyone else was not. Vani was very nice as well to talk to and so everyone was very welcoming. I cried on the set. So they did a pack up for me and मैंने उनको बोला प्लीज मुझे वीडियो भेजना, उन्होंने भेजी नहीं प्रोडक्शन वालों ने. They were shooting the BTS that time and then they said कि okay then today is the pack up for Zohar because उसका shoot खत्म हो गया and that was in Jaipur. हमारा like last bit of the movie was shot there and then they were like you know it's a pack up, the first pack up of his life because it was the first pack up for me technically. So मेरा तो उस टाइम पे रोना निकल गया. मैं थोड़ी speech दी and everyone was very, Frida Jalal was also there. I was like इनके सामने मुझे बोलना पड़ रहा है. So it was little I was put on the spot. That was being on the spot, not this is very chill. So yeah, so that was a moment that I will always cherish and I'm so thankful for the universe to give me this opportunity.
Have you tried more like giving more auditions or no?
दे रहा हूँ मैं यार. जब आते हैं मेरे पास there are some agencies that kind of reach out me and मैं धड़ाधड़ देते रहता हूँ.
But do you have that acting का कीड़ा कि मुझे कुछ
Yeah, I would like to explore it if nonetheless and honestly I would like to, if given a chance I would like to learn for sure. ठीक है. And once that is done I think then I can do this as well. Like मुझे बचपन से बोलते थे कि जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स है क्योंकि मैं सारी स्पोर्ट्स खेलता था. You know, mostly स्कूल टीम्स में हॉकी में था, बास्केटबॉल में था, स्विमिंग आई वाज आल्सो देयर, क्रिकेट मैंने इतना नहीं खेला. So I was always like कि सारी स्पोर्ट्स में खेलता है and I was a jack of, so I still kind of resonate with that कि हाँ जैक में रहो, jack of all sports रहो, so that's fine. So I want to try acting as well. I'm working on so we are in the middle of making something like a design first kind of a product where I'm working with certain people where you know we are trying to create like a touch point for people where they will come and see what we are making. Can't give you much, but whatever I can give you is that we're trying to clean up something that people think it's already clean.
What's that?
You have to elaborate a little bit. Like I'm curious now.
Yeah, please tell us it.
Honestly, so I'm working on a project with a team where we are getting something out.
Okay.
So that's the max I can talk about because I'm not been allowed to say more. I'm not allowed ke I want it to have more stagnant. I want to have more belief in it. And once everything is done, then probably next year probably we'll be coming out with something.
Yeah, can't wait.
Yes.
Yeah,
So वही कह रहा हूँ. So I'm
for
trying
that.
to कि इसमें भी करना है, ये भी करना है, and try everything. जितने the more lottery tickets you buy, the more chances you have to win the
To
lottery,
win the
right?
lottery,
So
yeah.
go for it.
I believe that.
So but tell us, how are male friendships like? Do you guys gossip?
नहीं यार,
नहीं.
हम मुंह पे gossip करते
Hey,
हैं.
gossip about other people.
Others obviously.
Honestly, I mean, I kind of disown the word gossip. I know you guys will be
Oh,
like,
please.
नहीं,
Now-
but soon, I know you would have this reaction as well. हम नहीं करते हैं यार. जैसे अगर हमें gossip किसके बारे में करनी है? दोस्तों के बारे में?
नहीं.
आप चुगली करते हो?
नहीं करता ना.
Gossip नहीं कर रहे हो?
Isn't that the same thing?
तभी तो मैंने बोला.
But नहीं यार, so हमारा बीच में the rule is कि अगर she is my best friend, तो इसके मुंह पे खिल्ली उड़ानी है, इसके मुंह के
नहीं, अगर बेस्ट
फीडबैक
फ्रेंड
देना.
अपना कोई फ्रेंड लाया है, ठीक है, ग्रुप में जो नहीं पसंद आया सबको,
बेस्ट फ्रेंड कोई फ्रेंड लाया है,
हाँ,
तो अगर वो फ्रेंड लाया है तो पहले वो तो लेके नहीं आएगा क्योंकि उसको पता है कि बाकी लोग कैसे हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है, क्योंकि वो तो मार देंगे. ठीक है, और अगर वो आया है, अगर उसको बुरा फील भी हुआ, दैट इज हिज प्रॉब्लम और हर प्रॉब्लम, नॉट आवर प्रॉब्लम. हमारा कोर बहुत वो ऐसा है कि इट इज लाइक
No new friends वाला.
नहीं फ्रेंड्स बहुत न्यू बने हैं. लाइक इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ इयर्स मेरे तो और बहुत फ्रेंड्स दे हैव काइंड ऑफ जॉइंड इन एज वेल. बट रूल उनको पता है कि बॉयज़ को कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है, तुम इसके बारे में उसको बोल दोगे, उसके बारे में वो सीधा उसके आगे बोल देगा भाई तूने ऐसे बोला था, कहेगा नहीं भाई या हाँ बोले जो भी है. सो वी कीप इट वेरी क्लियर एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ आवर my small little family that I have of friends that we fucking die for each other. I'm so sorry if I use the word.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, so we can, I mean, कोई मरेगा नहीं, वो भी मुझे पता है.
मैंने तो अभी कहा था कोई किसी के लिए नहीं मरता.
But yeah, I mean,
Okay.
they are there for thick and thin.
कि princess.
But normally like okay not within
But
your
jealousy
friends.
होती है
Jealousy,
like in
हाँ.
men group. I really
No,
want.
not at all. Not in mine.
Others,
Men group में
others.
Others.
others का मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ? I am not in their group ना.
No,
but
but जैसे
still
दूर से ही
generally
देख के होता है ना कि maybe on online आप कुछ देख रहे हो, scroll कर रहे हो, आपको लगता है यार oh this person has this, I don't have that. Do you feel that way? Like I'm not talking about you, but just men in general.
yeah.
यार men का कह सकते हैं.
हाँ.
I mean, and again you can't say men. Even I think women can feel like that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
of course, of
women
course.
So
are
exactly.
We don't
So
know na, we can or not, but then we want to understand how men feel.
yeah, I mean, I would see a car, I would say कि yeah,
Yeah.
I like it. I mean, I'm saying it from myself
Mhm.
कि मुझे पसंद है and I will probably, work towards it and jealous feel करूँगा तो then I'm only putting negativity in myself and उसको, trying to contain it, kind of work through it is something that I don't condone.
Yeah,
So I अगर कुछ jealousy I try not to be यार. मतलब मुझे feel होता है कई बार कि यार ये वाला let's say ब्रांड मेरे पास आना चाहिए था, I kind of
Yeah.
resonate with that. वो कई बार फील होता है, but that is only for work.
yeah.
But then also it's not jealousy, it's like कि आता तो मज़ा आता, नहीं है तो ठीक है, probably we'll work harder and get better brands or something or the other.
पर अभी content creation को लेके क्या क्या ideas हैं, like are you planning something, are you planning a different strategy, or like what we are missing you? You're posting so
Yeah.
less these
Yes,
days. We really want to see.
I will be back. I
Yeah.
am almost kind of trying to come back, but I want to come back with something certain. And I've always been a person who try to be कि बाकी जो कर रहे हैं मुझे वो नहीं करना, ठीक है? And I try to wanna have my own space. And in terms of content कि ये जोरावर सिंह का content है and I want to create certain IPs or something or the other which kind of hits all the spot, kind of also educates people, spreads a good message, makes you laugh or entertain as well. So trying to work around, and since the last 4 years that I've been a content creator, मैं वही twist and turn से pivot करता हूँ. Like if यहाँ से ही समझ आया ये content work नहीं कर रहा, then okay switch to something else. Okay then learn from this. आगे से ये repeat नहीं करना. So वही mix and churn कर रहा हूँ. Lately what was happening was I was not getting much business from content creation. Probably the brands had gotten low, or maybe the market was low or something or the other. So मुझे ना, like I know that is not the sole reason that I was making content, but it was one of the reasons because that was the only thing that I was getting income from because I had left my job, right? So वो मुझे थोड़ा सा mentally affect कर रहा था कि that I'm putting in so much efforts and but I'm not getting the returns. Also started feeling a little cringy about myself कि यार ये self cringe सबको आता है कई बार, right? So मुझे वो थोड़ा सा feel होना शुरू हुआ. Then I was like कि let's kind of take a break, rethink, and then get back.
You believe a lot in manifestation, right? A lot.
Yeah.
Like why?
Why?
Where मतलब manifestations
Yeah, it works for you.
Yeah, it does. So back in, I think, the first year of my marriage was where I had written some things that I want these things, including like a PS4, as trivial as PS4 or big, have these small materialistic things. ये भी मैंने करा, and these things came automatically. So I started getting better at it and started manifesting better. तो वो उसके बाद it kind of worked for me, and I think it doesn't matter if it works or not, but it puts you in a good mood and a good mindset, which kind of also has a trickle down effect towards having a good day, then having a good
Everything,
week,
yeah.
and making it a good month. And that's where you started appreciating life and making the best out of it. So कोई उसका वो नहीं है. I would say there's no negative side of manifestation, but it will work if you believe in it, and like I said कि वो छोटे छोटे miracles देखना शुरू कर दो यार दिन में रोज, and that's where you kind of learn from it, and you see कि
you are very wise yaar.
Yeah.
मतलब
Yeah.
very shant and wise. It's wow, nice.
Yeah, so
Good, that you've learned from whatever mistakes that you've done, because
Yeah.
at times people don't learn.
yeah, because
नहीं, I'm just talking in general.
Oh,
also
yeah,
कभी लोग नहीं भी सीखते हैं और
Yeah.
they just feel कि
I think emotions handle करना नहीं आता है.
हाँ,
I
emotions
think
handle
वो
करना
इसलिए
is-
थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जाता है.
yeah.
But I think the darkest times are the best times of your
Yeah.
life in one way or the other, because they teach you a lot. I mean, if you are keen to learn
Yes.
and when you accept that we are full of flaws and we can change ourselves for our own benefit, then that's the spot where you can become better. So when I was in my dark days, मैंने example पहले भी दिया था, but I'll tell you, if you are, let's say, going through a heartbreak, or you're going through something that is लाइक अ डार्क स्पेस,
हाँ.
ठीक है, कुछ बिजनेस में लॉस हो गया,
हम्म.
व्हाटएवर. हार्ट ब्रेक मैं जानबूझ के इसलिए बोल रहा था बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू विल काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज लेट्स से हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ, स्ट्रेट अवे वी गो एंड लिसन टू सॉन्ग्स, सैड सॉन्ग्स, जिससे यू स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग. अच्छा, ये तो मेरे बारे में बात हो रही है, यू नो, आई कैन रेजोनेट. ये लाइन मुझे अब समझ आ रही है. दे हिट यू डिफरेंटली व्हेन यू आर सैड, राइट? सो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय डार्क स्पेस आई सेड कि मैं बहुत आई एम वेरी वनरेबल एट दैट टाइम, आई एम वेरी गलेबल, कि मैं किसी की बात नहीं आ जाऊँगा. कोई मेरा फ्रेंड भी आके बोलेगा नहीं यार इसको ऐसे नहीं, इसको ऐसे करना है, so you probably might do that. Your family members may come and say कि you know इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना, you might do that. So I said कि ठीक है, they're saying something good for you only. So अगर आप उस टाइम पे गले बोलो और आप किसी की भी बात में आ सकते हो, जबकि आपको सिंपली एक गाने का भी मतलब अब हिट हो रहा है बिकॉज आप उससे रेजोनेट कर रहे हो, why don't you start listening to good things at that?
But you ever like feel lonely because obviously जब आप एक किसी के साथ इतने लंबे टाइम के लिए रहते हो एंड उसकी प्रेजेंस नहीं रहती है फिर लाइफ में, तो फिर एक लोनली फेस आता ही आता है. यू गोइंग बैक टू द हाउस एंड लाइक नोबडी इज देयर, ऑब्वियसली माया इज देयर, बट स्टिल वो एक लोनली फेस आता है
यार. वो एक void रहता है that no one can fill, but then you can fill it with some other things as well. Like like you said, I have Maya, I have my house help who I'm very close to, and उनसे भी मैं heart to heart कभी बातें करूँगा. How is she feeling? How are her parents feeling in terms? Friends, like I said, they come over, ठीक है, and
but 24 hours कोई आपके साथ नहीं होता है. कभी-कभी वो एक टाइम होता है कि you feel very lonely.
That time my schedule is my friend. तो मैंने जो शेड्यूल बनाया हुआ, like I told you that it is from 6:45 in the morning till 10 in the night. And I have certain things to do every day. Like I read, I journal every day. Like अभी 5-6 दिन हुए हैं, but I was doing it earlier. So मैं, like I said, I form a routine, fail at it, live miserably, you know, punish my body. Then ऐसी जीना है नहीं, get back to it. Then get back to it, get more better, get back to it, fail again, get back to it. तो मैं वही same चीज़ repeat करता रहता हूँ.
I think moving on to our next
and last
section, which
मुझे
is
घर जाना है.
खाना है.
Anyway, let's go.
Yeah, so it's called What's Your POV?
Okay.
So we're just gonna ask you some random questions.
POV की full form क्या होती है? मजाक करूँगा.
Point
पता है यार मैं.
No content. मुझे नहीं पता.
Anyway, so can exes be friends?
Yes. I mean, you want me to answer in one word or you want me to?
However you
Your
like.
point of view.
I guess yes. हाँ.
Favorite pickup line.
Pick up ही नहीं किया किसी को, तो line क्या मारूँ?
But still.
यार
कभी तो मस्ती में
Come
यार,
on,
कभी on a
come
holiday,
on.
कहीं पे I don't know, sometime
Yeah.
इतना अपना
यार
maybe
honestly मैं
school,
बता देता,
college.
but नहीं है. मतलब I'm very bad at you know talking to women.
Worst बता दो.
never approached a girl in life.
I might have probably in
हाँ.
college times, but उसके अलावा अब तो यार
हमने-
When you talk
Out
on
of
an
the-
app like this, तो
उसमें तो hi hello ही होता है. Hi hello, how are you
but
doing?
still,
हाँ.
if you want to ask someone out for a date, what do you say?
वो तो फिर
How do you-
yes.
How do you
That-
flirt?
yes.
I don't flirt.
You don't.
Like
Obviously.
listen, I flirt
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं, but I see कि अगर वहाँ से भी flirt आ रहा है, then I'll flirt ना, कि it's a
तो फिर
table
हाँ.
tennis match है, ठीक है, पिंग पोंग अगर हो रहा है तो then you kind of do that,
Yeah.
but अगर वहाँ से नहीं आ रहा then I also don't.
But एक line तो होगी ना.
अच्छा किसी ने like आप पे किया हो कि
मेरे पे
हाँ favorite मतलब someone might have come up to
यार
you
some
and
people who
pulled out
recognize me
हाँ.
on dating apps are, मैं उनसे थोड़ा सा ना वो परे हो जाता हूँ, because then they come with a set.
अब popular हो तो हो
नहीं but हाँ, but they kind of come with their
like preconceived notions
preconceived
or-
notions उनके हैं थोड़े से, and they kind of come with their own
हाँ,
story.
हाँ, हाँ,
Although some people are very nice who also know me, they've been very nice,
हाँ.
but मैं थोड़ा सा रहता हूँ कि try to know me as a normal person than to
Yeah.
be a content creator. I want to come across like
Yeah.
that. ठीक है, no, that is not real.
Obviously, yeah.
Okay, honestly, that is nobody's real on social media, right?
Nobody.
तो मेरा भी वो पूरा persona नहीं है. There is other
हाँ.
emotions to me as well, and there are other personalities to me as well, right?
हम्म.
So उसको जानो and you know, and start fresh and don't come with preconceived notions.
I want to know the
Line.
Pick up line.
यार पिकअप मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि यार चिल करना है, तो कहते हैं हाँ तो ठीक है चलो मिलते हैं, बस यही होता है. और पिकअप लाइन कौन मारता है आजकल, तू बता, ऐसा कोई मारता है?
मुझे तो पे किसी ने मारी.
एग्जैक्टली, कोई नहीं मारता.
Yeah.
मुझे social मारते हैं क्या पता नहीं.
like hi ma'am, how you doing? I like your heels, so let's go for a coffee. कौन करता है ऐसे यार? I don't think so people do that.
Gen Z करते होंगे.
I'm if they do, it's working for them. That's good.
Do you cry? I can say yes.
मैं तो कितनी बार बता दिया yes. Movies देख के माया को देख के मेरा तो निकलाता है.
Do you have a 3 a.m. friend?
A lot.
A lot of them.
Yeah, I mean
Men and
जो मेरे हैं सारे मेरे
सारे.
उनको मैं कभी भी कॉल सकता हूँ. जो बच्चे वाले वो शायद से उनको ना करूँ. So but yeah, जो सिंगल हैं उनको तो कर सकता हूँ.
Your favorite content creator?
Favorite content creator.
Now don't be politically correct, huh?
No, I won't be. You know, one guy I really like is some guy, I forgot his full name. His name is Vijay. He has millions of followers. He makes from his hometown, वो कहीं पंजाब में रहता है और वो बहुत अच्छे कॉमेडी रील्स बनाता है. डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ कॉमेडी है वो थोड़ा सा. इट्स नॉट I would say popular comedy, but he has millions of followers, and I met him also in one of Meta events. And I went and told him that I'm a big fan. I like your comedy, but I like his his vibe and his उसकी comedy setup बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे. So I like that. You might know Vijay Guy करके कुछ है. I forgot his.
One more name.
हाँ, give us one more, like a more.
अब तुम्हें popular वाला चाहिए होगा ना?
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
जो थोड़ा सा कोई और भी तो होगा. Okay, second favorite.
Second favorite.
हाँ.
Like one female content creator and one male.
हाँ, ये अच्छा.
Female content creator who do किसका मुझे अच्छा लगता है? यार honestly मेरे को यार मैं can I go and check my list?
Yeah, please.
Let me check my list because मुझे ऐसे नाम नहीं याद रहते.
याद आ गई.
नहीं याद नहीं आया. Just going to my list.
I'm imagining कितना favorite होगा. Name check करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं favorite मुझे तो मैं तो याद नहीं रहा कौन female वाले थे. Like I don't follow. I normally follow people who have comedy in their content. तो मैं fashion वाला इतने नहीं follow करता because fashion sense मेरी zero है. So उसके अलावा I just.
No, it's pretty decent.
But वो modest हो रहा था कि मुझे लगा वहाँ पे से कुछ you'll say something nice which eventually worked. But yeah, internet is not working. But what kind of name you want ना बोल मैं वो बोल देता हूँ.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है मेरे को.
अच्छा बात बोलो. Next question.
नहीं यार एक नाम तो चाहिए मुझे यार.
ये हम बाद में.
Okay, I like Komal Pandey's production very good.
Yeah.
Her work and
very
I respect her. She's a friend of mine, but love the way she has made content and she's made whatever she's made out of
she's very good.
herself.
Very
and
creative.
Very creative.
Music
very
choice, everything.
Yes.
Very
मतलब
nice.
उसका like हर game मेरी team अगर वैसी बन जाए like that's my dream team अगर मेरी वैसे कुछ बन जाए and the way she works.
Yeah.
Although I don't make fashion content, but I love her work. उसका काम बहुत अच्छा.
She's very good.
Yes.
She is very good. Have you ever ghosted anyone? Obviously.
हाँ, मतलब कहाँ?
करा ही होगा.
Correct.
याद नहीं मुझे but करा होगा.
अच्छा. But normally you like give a closure always or no?
No.
No. Listen.
You're
Close.
saying कि मैं
He
ghosting
said
कर
no.
रहा हूँ and then you're saying मैं closure.
हाँ तुम
क्लोजर का मतलब क्या उसको
मतलब-
बात खत्म करनी है
हाँ,
बेसिकली
कि
राइट.
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है so let's just
घोस्ट कर दिए तो बात
नहीं घोस्ट नहीं
नहीं,
करता.
सही में
लाइक आई
ghost
ट्राई
नहीं
टू
कर
लाइक
tell and
द न्यू मी द
हाँ.
न्यू जोरावर 2.0 लेट्स से वो सीधा मुंह पे आके बात कर देगा और बोल देगा कि हाँ भाई ये बात है. नाउ इफ थिंग्स डोंट मैच और व्हाटएवर देन इट्स बट घोस्ट करना इज नॉट मैच्योर यार. आई थिंक यू कांट लीव द पर्सन हैंगिंग.
obviously.
but you tell the
बट अगर मैंने करा है अगर मैंने करा भी है कॉन्शियसली अनकॉन्शियसली आई कैन स्ट्रेट अवे अपोलोजाइज फॉर दैट. बट मैं लाइक आई सेड नो ईगो तो सीधा सॉरी मांगो अगर करा है एंड दैट वाज जेन्युइन मिस्टेक. बट दैट्स अ वेरी इमेच्योर थिंग टू डू अगर आप किसी को घोस्ट कर रहे हो एंड यू नो यू नॉट गिविंग देम द क्लोजर.
but normally will you
बट
give
आई थिंक मैंने करा है शायद मुझे याद
करा
कॉलेज
होगा
टाइम
यार,
पे.
सब
हाँ
करते
कॉलेज टाइम ही recent जानना है.
रिसेंट ईयर नहीं. रिसेंट तो मैंने बोला ना खुला चल रहा हूँ कि मैंने बोला कि भाई दिस इज यस.
but normally will you tell the right reason the exact reason why
या
पक्का
मतलब थोड़ा सा फटती है मेरी.
filter करके
हाँ, थोड़ी
है ना,
फटती है
थोड़ा सा
मेरी.
sugar coat
थोड़ा सा मैं
करके।
फिल्टर करूंगा थोड़ा सा. आई माइट चूज माय वर्ड्स एंड बाइट माय टंग अ लिटिल बिट कि क्या सही बोल रहे हैं. बट नाउ आई हैव बिकम मैं थोड़ा सा ना पहले अभी भी हूँ थोड़ा सा फट्टू हूँ मैं. आई एम पर्सन हु डजंट लाइक कन्फ्रंटेशन बट आई एम लर्निंग कि हाँ यार दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू बी. नहीं समझ आ रहा चाहिए बोल दो. इवन लेट्स से पॉडकास्ट में भी कोई वर्ड नहीं समझ आया तुमने बोला बोल दो यार नहीं समझ उसमें क्या हो जाएगा. So be confrontational to anyone that you have to be and that's the wise choice, I think. But इसको हर जगह choose नहीं कर सकते. Sometimes you
Yeah.
have to be,
थोड़ा सा
you have to.
politically correct. or-
Exactly.
Yeah.
Are you ready for a relationship?
No.
ठीक है.
Girl, sorry.
Okay, so finish the sentence. I am a misfit
Because I don't follow the rules and don't follow the track that other people have taken. I try to make my own path, learn from my mistakes, and like I said, वही path पे गिरूंगा, dust my knees, get up, and start walking again, and not give up. That's what
Yeah.
that's why I'm a misfit.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people they be submissive and they kind of stick to that kind of, let's say 9 to 5 as well or whatever.
They'll just
Plan.
keep following the rules कि यही है, ऐसे ही चलना होता है, life
मतलब
ऐसे ही
I
होनी
don't,
चाहिए.
I am a misfit also because I don't, पहले मैं ऐसा था कि अगर गोवा जा रहा हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल, वहाँ जाके भी बटर चिकन ही खाना है, ठीक है, क्योंकि टेस्ट बर्ड्स हैं, क्यों वेस्ट करूँ मैं. फिर मैंने देखा यार कि व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल, आई वाज लाइक यार वहाँ की एक लोकल ट्रीट, मतलब लोकल मील खा के देखते हैं क्या होता अच्छा लगे, ठीक है. बिकॉज इन अ लाइफ स्पैन, लेट्स से इफ वी इवन लिव फॉर 60-70 years, every year we eating 365 into 3, मेरी मैथ्स बहुत वीक है,
हमारे भी
number of meals, right? तो into 70 कर लो तो I don't know what number that is, right? So big number में अगर आप एक मील भी कुछ और करो जो आपको ना पसंद आए, maybe, but it's worth trying. Maybe you like it,
Yeah, maybe.
and that's the new me that I've been trying all the cuisines. So when I've gone to Thailand a couple of times, I have tried everything. मतलब नॉट यही नहीं कि मैं सांप और ये सब चीज़ खा रहा हूँ जो विच इज़ लाइक वो एक तो होता है ना वो दिखाने के लिए स्कॉर्पियो दिखा रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट दैट टेस्टी और व्हाटएवर, दैट्स लाइक अ गिमिक फॉर अ रील और स्टोरी, बट ट्राइज थिंग्स व्हिच आर nutrition and nutrition are in you eating and something that is try something like I thought that I will not like oysters because सब बोलते थे बड़ा अजीब से लगते हैं, but when I tried it, it was really good. I liked it. Not that कि मैं दिल्ली में oysters ढूंढ रहा हूँ, but एक बार खा लिए अच्छे लगे. अरे वापस चांस मिलेगा जाके खा लेंगे फिर से.
Karan Aujla, Diljit Dosanjh.
दिलजीत.
I like Karan Aujla.
Yeah, but both you can't kind of.
Yeah, can't compare. Actually, they have both like different styles. But Karan Aujla की यार मतलब.
But lately, but if
Gaana
you
is different.
Yeah, but if you hear my playlist, अगर मैं पंजाबी गाने सुनता हूँ तो उसमें करण औजला के थोड़े ज़्यादा आएंगे because वो थोड़े से I think तो पॉपुलर भी दिख रहे हैं और रील्स बारे में देख जाते हैं. So and I like him as a person, अच्छा लगता है. And दिलजीत is also.
Yeah.
दिलजीत जैसे तो मैं मैनिफेस्ट करता हूँ कि यार वैसा बस प्राइवेट जेट होएगा.
But there is a
Mature
difference ना कि Karan Aujla is more open about his life, his feelings. Diljit is not very open about.
It's okay to be
anything.
private.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just saying that maybe होता है ना कभी-कभी आप किसी से ज़्यादा इसलिए.
I like the God-fearing Diljit where he's always respectful and learn from that care ke talk to everyone
very humble,
respectfully. And I also believe that like I might not talk to my CEO properly, but I will talk to my janitor with utmost respect. That's how I've been brought up. And abhi bhi when I was coming in the cab, I was talking to that guy. He was kind of fed up. He was like, "Bhaiya, leave me alone."
कम बोलो इतना chatty क्यों हो रहे हो?
I was just telling him that you have a very clean car and you have a.
But it's good to make people.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's nice. Chalo. Sing a Punjabi song for us.
मैं एग्जिट लैंड वाला हूँ.
Which song is it? Thank you so much.
Yeah,
this is Dorawa Singh Ahluwalia for you.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you for being you. Actually, there are not a lot of people like you, so it's good to see
So
that you exist.
am I a certified misfit?
Yes.
Of course.
That's how
Do
you
I get a
hello.
badge?
You might.
Done.
But thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're
Stay
welcome.
the same. Don't ever change.
Yes.
All right.
please.
Thank you.